like and subscribe.
Look at what I found on my hike today. What do you call this flower? Where I'm from, we call them surprise lilies. Its botanical name is Lycoris squamigera. It's also known by other evocative names such as resurrection lily and magic lily. Due to its unique growth habit, native to Southeast Asia, Japan, and Korea, but I found it in the Appalachian Mountains. It's a relatively low-maintenance plant that thrives in well-drained soil and prefers full sun to partial shade. They're absolutely breathtaking. Grateful for your support, Infinite Mother Nature will support you.